So children, look at this question of maths fun. This question is given in your book in page number 124. Okay. The question is, what goes up and never comes down? So children, with respect to time, if it is, I will tell you our age. Our age can go up, but it can never come down. Okay. You were a baby once upon a time. Now you have become what? Children. After that you will grow up to adults like us. And then you can go to the what? You will go to the senior citizen age after some years. Some means around after 60 to 70 years after that. Okay. Now what I want to say is the age will always go up but never come down. So your answer for this question will be age. Now we come to exercise 9.1. We will solve some questions from exercise 9.1. Draw the hour and minute hands to show the given time. Okay, children, today I will teach you how to draw a clock. It's very important. Okay, it's high time you must learn it. First of all, what you will do, you make a half circle in this way. This is what? It looks like letter C or not. Now, from the other side, you join these two with a opposite facing C. Okay. Now, you have got the complete round. Take the center point, place and put a dot over here. Okay. Now, up of this dot, here it will be 12. Below this dot, here it is 6. Then, what is this side? It is your right hand side. You will write 3 and left hand side you will write 9. So 12, then 1, then 2, then it is 4 and then it is 5, then it is 7, 8, then 10, 11. Now we have already drawn the clock. Now suppose you have to show, see the first question, 1 bit A, it is time is given as 8:10. I have to show it through my clock. So, first always do the minute hands. You know minute hands, it is very easy. Just one arrow mark, one line and one arrow you will do. So, because it is 10 means it will point towards 2. Okay. So, it will be pointing towards 2 like this. And what about this? What about this R hand? R hand will be pointing towards 8. But you see between your divisions there are further small divisions you will find. Okay, that are also equally placed like this. Between two main divisions, okay, you make 4 small divisions like this. 2, 3, 4. Because how we count is, the first small division becomes 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5th division is your next R. Like this we count. So, between two big divisions, make 4 small divisions also. Okay children, I hope you all are understanding this. After completing this, now you can draw the hand of the clock. The hand of the clock is little bit fat. Okay. So it will be pointing, this is your 8. 8. Now little bit away from 8. One step away from 8 it has to point. Okay. Make something like this. A diamond kind of shape you make. It will be more appropriate. Because it should look different from the minute hand. That is why I made it in this way. Okay. So this is your time. This is showing your 8:10. Is it clear children? Now let us do one more. Okay, another one important thing I forgot to tell you. Whenever we tell you the time, the minute, after this colon, this side is telling your minute, and this side is giving, left side is giving your hour. Always the minute hand is represented by 2 digits. Always the minute is represented by 2 digits and hour is also represented by 2 digits. Okay, so hour you can write 08. Is it clear? See, hour hand, if you show it by 1 digit also no problem, but minute hand you have to show, because suppose one time is there, it is, suppose you are writing 8-5 here, so this will be wrong. You have to write here 805. This will be correct. So remember this. So how to draw the hands of the clock? I hope you all have understood this. Now we will do one question from question number 2. Okay, just see the board. Now question number 2, already the hands are drawn and you have to tell the time, and you have to tell the time in 2 ways. That also you have to see. Just like the previous, let's recall how we did, the same way we have to do. The time is 7:05 it is showing. 7. So the hour hand is pointing towards 7 here. Okay, it's pointing towards 7, and the minute hand is pointing towards your 1. 1 means stands for 5. This is the time. So you have, what will be the time here? You have to write in 2 ways. So 2 ways you have to write. It is 7:05. Okay, this is the time that you have written in the first way. Second way, what you will write? What I told you, towards the right side always it will be considered as past. This side is your past and this side is your 2. So what I will write? 5 minutes past 7. Okay, so we can write 5 past 7. 5 past 7. Or we can also write 5 minutes past. 5 minutes past 7 or 5 past 7. Both are correct. If you write 5 minutes past 7 also, it is correct. No problem. Like this also you can write. Okay. Okay, this question is from question number 2 and it is bit B. Bit A is already done for you. So bit B I have done. Okay children.